So for this screencast, we have to find our energy stored in our spring. So the first thing we have to do is we have to measure our arm on the mousetrap car. So in meters, so mine was 0.20 meters. And then we also have to grab an estimate angle in radians from the video, and I got 2 pi over 3, and that gives me my distance, my arc distance, which is 0.41 meters. So on my 0.41 meters, I plug that in. So that will be the highest my force goes. So my y-intercept was 3.4 newtons, and I got that from my equation, which was the torque is equal to 36 newtons over 1 meter times the arc distance plus 3.4 newtons. So 3.4 newtons is my y-intercept. So the next thing I do is I grab this equation and I plug it in now that I have my arc distance. So my torque is equal to 36 newtons over 1 meter times 0.41 meters plus 3.4 newtons. So then I get that the torque is equal to 18.2 newtons. So getting that, I plug that into my graph here, and I put 18.2 newtons at the top, so that's to be the highest it goes. So now I have to find the area of my graph, and I have a rectangle and a triangle. So I know a triangle area is 1/2 times base times the height, and a rectangle is just length times width. So then from that, I grab 3.4 newtons times 0.41 meters, and then I get 1.3 joules, and then my triangle, I get 1/2 times 14.8 because it's 18.2 minus 3.4, so that's how I get 14.8 times 0.41, and that gives me 3.0 joules. So I add 3.0 joules plus the 1.3 joules to get my energy stored in a spring, which is 4.3 joules. And that's how I found my energy stored in a spring.